Hello kids, today we'll study the chapter number 1 of class 1 mathematics CBSE, shapes and space, inside and outside. So shapes and space, in this chapter we will be studying that what are the different shapes and what are the different space. The Arab and his camel. So here's a story about a man whose name is an Arab and a camel. Camel is a desert animal. It was a cold winter day. The Arab was traveling on the camel back. At night, the Arab pitched his tent and went inside it. The camel was outside. So here is a small story. The man was traveling on a camel in a cold winter day, and the man was sitting on the hump of the camel. And when the night came, the Arab pitched a tent. The Arab made a tent on the desert and went inside the tent. So who went inside the tent? The man went inside the tent, but the camel could not. Okay, you may put your neck inside, the man said. The man said, first the camel asked, can I put my neck inside? It's too cold outside. Here outside it is so cold. Can I put my neck inside, sir? So the man said, yes, you can put. Then, may I put my front legs inside? It is too cold outside. Then the camel asked, can I put my legs also inside? Okay, you may put your front legs inside. Can I come inside? It is too cold outside. The camel asked, can I come totally inside? The man said, oh no, the tent is too small for both of us. So the man said that, no, we both cannot sit inside this small tent because the tent size is very, very small and we both cannot sit together. So I am coming inside and you go outside. So the camel said, I will come inside, you go and sit outside. So here is a camel, the desert animal, the man name is Arab, and there is a tent. So that was the first concept, students. So now what we have to do? We have to tick the questions. Which one is the bigger and which one will be the smaller? Alright, so let's start. Okay, first question, take the bigger one. This one will be the bigger because the size of a rhinoceros is a big than a dog. Take the smaller. This one, a small leaf. Then out of the squirrel and the cow, the squirrel will be the smaller one. Take the smaller tire. This one. Okay, kids? Okay, good. I hope you have done these questions now. Okay, so now let's come to another question. Take the smallest tree, biggest and smallest concept. So smaller means when we compare between two things, and smallest and biggest means when we compare things or animals or people with three things. 3 animals, 3 trees, 3 humans. Like when we compare among 3 people, then we go for biggest and smallest. But when we talk between 2 peoples, then we take bigger and smaller. So which one is the smallest of all the 3 trees? This one. Which is the biggest animal? Out of all the 3 animals, which is the biggest animal? This one. Take the smallest fruit out of all the 3 fruits. Cherry. Take the biggest bubble. This one is the biggest bubble. I hope you have understood this much, that smaller and bigger means when we compare between 2 people, 2 things or 2 animals or anything, and biggest and smallest means when we compare among 3 people, 3 animals and 3 things. Top and bottom means See here, the concept of top and bottom is there are three students. They are playing in the park. One boy is on the slide. This boy is on the slide. Which boy? This boy is on the slide and he is on the top. But this boy is in the bottom. Similarly, this bird is in the top. This cat is in the bottom. Understood, students? Understood? I hope you have understood. Means there will be two people. One will be in the upper part and one will be in the lower part. One will be up and one will be down. As here the boy is on the top of the slide and the yellow color dress boy is in the bottom of the slide. The bird is on the top of the tree and the cat is in the bottom of the tree. Same. Now we will write the answers. Pick the pot on the top. Which pot is on the top? This one. Take the animal at the bottom of the stairs. Top means up and bottom means down. Understood? Nearer and farther. What is the meaning of nearer and farther? Nearer means when there are two things or two people or two birds, one which is nearer to the house, anything that is known as nearer, and one which is a little bit far away from the place or thing is known as the farther. For example, this pink bird is nearer, but this yellow bird is not nearer. This is farther from this house. Understood? So let's do the answers now. Take the cat farther from the tree. Which cat is far away from the tree? This one or this one? Which one? Which one? My students will say me. So the answer will be this one. Yes or no? This cat is farther from the tree. From this tree, which tree? From this tree, this cat is farther, not this one, okay? Good. Nearest and farthest. When we talk about two people or more than two people, then we talk about nearest and farthest. See, there are three students here. Wait, I'll show you. See, here is one, here is one, and here is one. So, who is nearest to the swing? There is a swing here. So, who is nearest to the swing? This boy, right? And who is farthest to the swing? This girl. Okay, this girl is very, very farthest. She is very much far. But this boy is very much close to the swing. And this girl is also nearer. This girl is nearer. But this girl is farthest. And this boy is nearest. So let us do the answers. Take the puppy farthest from the tree. Which puppy is very, very far away? This one. Take the tree nearest to the bird. Which tree is so close to the bird? This one. Got the answers? Good. On, under, above, below. Take the children on the table and cross the children under the table. So students, see here. On means, on the table means one that is kept on the table, that is above the table. This boy is standing or sitting on the table. This boy is sitting on the desk. On means above. Under means this mouse is under the table. This boy is under the table. Okay? Similarly, above means this fan is above the table. There are so many tables and this fan is so high. So the things that are so high we use above, not on. And the things which are so down we use below. Like this one. Below the fan. This boy is below the fan. So down is below and so high is above. Let us discuss who is nearer and who is far, who is top bottom. Near is the woman is near to the well, then one woman is going away, so she is farther from the well. Then this girl and this little boys, they are at the bottom of the well, but the bird is in the top of the tree. Okay. All right. So we'll continue shapes around us in the next topic. Thank you, kids.